How to view the end-to-end encryption code of Facebook Messenger device. So if you want to view the end-to-end encryption code of Facebook Messenger device, then first open up your Facebook Messenger application. Go for the upper left, which has that 3-bar icon. And once you're here, you can simply go for settings, which is on the upper right. Once you're here on the settings, you can scroll down and here you will have privacy and safety. Tap on privacy and safety and here you will have end-to-end encrypted chats, right? Tap on that and go for security alerts, and under your security alert you will have the security alert on the mobile devices in which you have logged in, right? So you can simply choose any one of these devices, and then here on the bottom you will have the end-to-end encrypted code of your Facebook Messenger. So that's how you can view the end-to-end encryption code of Facebook Messenger device. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.